Hi, I will show you today how to make desk same like yours. So basically it's the same desk, same height and the size roughly, so you know where you can leave your controller, and in future you can make much more things. So click the Oculus menu, the round button, then quick settings, Guardian, mixed reality, desk, add edit. I can delete this is what I have. I can create new ones. So mixed reality, desk, add edit. So now, like you can see, define desk surface. Hold your control on the front edge of your desk, then press and hold the trigger button. So we're going on the left edge of the desk, hold the trigger button, and then we're going up to the end and release. Second step, height of the surface. Like you can see, I can go up and down. So I'm going to the surface. Basically, I'm just laying the control on the desk upside down, and I'm pressing the trigger button once. And I can repeat that process, clicking the redraw or confirm. In my case, everything is ready, so I can click confirm. And now I have a desk in my mixed reality, which now I know where is it. Basically, before I had some troubles, but now it's fine. Yeah, thank you very much. If you have any question, just let me know. Thank you.